Welcome to Eco Wealth Lab. Today, we're diving into budgeting tips for beginners. Budgeting is crucial for managing your finances effectively. In this video, we'll cover the basics of budgeting and how to create a plan that works for you. Define budgeting. So, what is budgeting? It's the process of creating a plan to spend your money wisely. There are different types of budgets you can use, such as the zero-based budget and the 50/30/20 rule. Let's break these down. Steps to create a budget. Assess your income. Start by calculating your total monthly income. Include your salary, side hustles, and any other sources of income. Track your expenses. Keep track of your spending using apps, spreadsheets, or a simple notebook. Categorize expenses. Differentiate between fixed expenses, rent, utilities, and variable expenses, entertainment, dining out. Set financial goals. Define your short-term and long-term financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or building an emergency fund. Create your budget plan. Allocate your income to different expense categories based on your priorities and goals. Tools and apps. Check out popular budgeting tools and apps like Mint, Inab, and EveryDollar. These tools can help you manage your budget more effectively. Let's take a quick look at how to use one of these tools. Tips for sticking to your budget. Avoid common pitfalls such as overspending or neglecting to track all expenses. Stay motivated by setting small milestones and regularly reviewing your budget. How to adjust your budget. Be prepared to make adjustments when your financial situation changes or unexpected expenses arise. Learn how to tweak your budget to stay on track with your goals. Conclusion. To recap, we've covered the essentials of budgeting and how to create a plan that works for you. Start budgeting today and take control of your financial future. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your own budgeting tips or questions. See ya. 1.